study about upper limb fractures in adolescents attending selected government hospitals in Sri Lanka and its associated pre-hospital care. Injuries are the leading cause of illness and death among adolescents, and fractures of the upper limbs are a hidden public health issue in Sri Lanka. These injuries limit daily activities and can affect the future productivity of this important age group. This study looked at 1,090 adolescents aged 10 to 19 years with upper limb fractures treated in hospitals in Colombo district. The average age was 12 years, and most patients were boys. Nearly half of the injuries happened at home, and most were caused by falls. Three-wheeler taxis were the most common means of transport to the hospital. Worryingly, less than one-third of the injured adolescents received any form of pre-hospital care. The findings highlight the urgent need for awareness programs targeting school children, parents, and teachers, as well as improvements in pre-hospital care to reduce the impact of adolescent injuries on families and the country's economy. Introduction. Musculoskeletal injuries are the main reason adolescents are admitted to hospitals worldwide. Unintentional injuries, such as falls and road traffic accidents, cause a high number of disabilities and deaths, particularly in low and middle-income countries. Studies show that fractures are very common among adolescents, especially in the upper limbs, with the distal forearm being the most frequent site. In Sri Lanka, hospital records show a steady rise in childhood fractures, with thousands of cases admitted each year in Colombo district hospitals. Most of these fractures occur in adolescence and involve the upper limbs. Pre-hospital care plays a critical role in preventing complications, such as deformities or damage to nerves and blood vessels, before patients reach hospitals. Proper first aid, especially immobilization of the injured limb during transport, can protect against further harm. This study focused on understanding adolescent upper limb fractures and the pre-hospital care they receive in Colombo district. Conclusion. Adolescent fractures are a hidden public health problem in Sri Lanka, with upper limb fractures being the most common. These injuries, often caused by falls at home, limit daily activities and can affect the future productivity of this age group. A study of 1,090 adolescents aged 10 to 19 years with upper limb fractures in Colombo district hospitals found that most were boys and nearly half were injured at home. Falls were the main cause, and most victims were transported to hospital in three-wheelers. Alarmingly, less than one-third received any form of pre-hospital care, such as splinting to prevent further injury. Improving transport systems, encouraging proper first aid, and integrating injury prevention into existing public health programs could reduce the burden. Awareness programs for school children, parents, and teachers are especially important, since adolescents are in a critical stage of growth and are the future productive workforce of the country. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.